Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. The BMW X7, where luxury meets performance. This flagship SUV from BMW is packed with cutting-edge technology, bold design updates, and jaw-dropping performance. Let's find out why it's the ultimate choice for premium SUVs. The BMW X7 makes a strong statement with its bold, updated exterior. The signature kidney grille now features optional illuminated elements for added flair, while slimmer, adaptive LED headlights give it a modern edge. The sculpted lines and aerodynamic design aren't just for looks, they enhance efficiency and road presence. At the back, updated 3D tail lights and a sporty diffuser complete the elegant design. Step inside, and the X7 greets you with unmatched luxury. The cabin is a symphony of premium materials like soft touch leather, real wood trim, and optional crystal controls. The seats are not just comfortably, they're available with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The ambient lighting and panoramic sky lounge roof add an extra layer of sophistication, creating a first-class experience for every passenger. BMW has packed the X7 with cutting-edge technology. The curved dual-screen display integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen powered by iDrive 8.5. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, real-time navigation, and BMW's intelligent personal assistant. Optional upgrades include a 20-speaker Bowers Wilkins sound system for audiophiles and augmented reality navigation for an immersive driving experience. The X7 offers two impressive engine options. The xDrive 40i is powered by a 3.0 liters turbocharged inline-six engine with 375 horsepower and 398 pounds-to-feet of torque. For those who crave more power, the M60i xDrive comes with a 4.4 liters twin-turbo V8 producing a whopping 523 horsepower. Both engines feature 48-volt mild hybrid systems, ensuring a balance of performance and efficiency. With standard xDrive all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the X7 delivers a smooth, confident ride on any terrain. BMW's engineering shines in the X7's driving dynamics. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling twisty roads, the X7 offers a composed, comfortable ride. Adaptive air suspension comes standard, soaking up bumps effortlessly. For enthusiasts, the M60i offers sharper handling and an available rear-wheel steering system for added agility. Practicality meets luxury in the X7. It offers 3 rows of seating with enough space for up to 7 passengers. The third row is spacious enough for adults, a rarity in this class. Need more cargo space? The split folding rear seats can be adjusted to give you up to 90.4 cubic feet of storage. Whether it's a road trip or a daily commute, the X7 is ready for anything. The X7 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. Standard offerings include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning. The optional driving assistance professional package adds BMW's highway assistant, allowing for hands-free driving on select roads. Parking is effortless with the surround view camera and remote parking capabilities. The BMW X7 starts at $81,900 for the xDrive 40i trim, while the high-performance M60i begins at $108,700. With various optional packages and customizations, you can truly make it your own. While it's a premium price, the features, luxury, and performance make it worth every penny. The BMW X7 is the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. Whether you're seeking a family-friendly SUV or a premium ride that makes a statement, the X7 delivers on all fronts. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Thanks for watching our full review of the BMW X7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments, so would the X7 be your next SUV? Until next time, drive safe.